Hey, this is Randy
And I'm Alyssa.
at SantaFeFord.com, where we have a huge selection of vehicles to choose from. I want you to stay tuned. Right now, Alyssa's going to give us a closer look.
Here we have a 2018 Lincoln MKC. This vehicle has alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, a keypad door lock, solar tinted windows, and a spoiler. For more information about this vehicle, you can visit us online at SantaFeFord.com to view the Carfax. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the inside. Here's a quick look at the inside. The seats are black leather, and both seats are powered and can be heated. It has powered windows, locks, and mirrors. Here's a quick look at the dash. The steering wheel has Bluetooth, media, and cruise control settings. The media center features an LCD touchscreen which displays the backup camera. It has AM and FM radio, Sirius XM satellite radio, a CD player, Bluetooth, and a USB port for more media options. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look into the back. Here's a look into the back seat. Here's a look at the cargo area. The seats fold down for more space. This vehicle does have a remote liftgate. And under the hood, it has a 2-liter i4 engine. For more information about this vehicle, you can visit us online at SantaFeFord.com or you can call the number below. Once again, my name's Alyssa. Thanks for watching.